Yeah. Well, I don't know about video. I was right as I was pressing the button and I saw it. It's completely constant. It's crazy. Love to pitch one of those crazy bolts on here. As if this isn't enough. Looks like the storm has moved south. You notice how it's all like red up there? Isn't that kind of weird? It's like a sunset color in the clouds. I honestly don't know how light it's supposed to be outside. It should be getting darker, but it's definitely not supposed to be completely dark yet. I think that red stuff looks cool.